if we want to, we could actually as we come across, we could step up and frame the whole base in.
What, run like a 1x4 along the bottom?
Yeah, come across here, come up and miter it, you know, boom, 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 across there. I would probably, although we have 2 joints here, Danny, I'm thinking just come in the center, we'll put one center one here. That one's kind of hidden.
Yeah.
But that way on the other sides where you have a joint, we can run another one down.
I can show you how to cut that miter joint.
Use with a...
I've never seen him stud. I've never seen him stud.
I just never knew you knew how to use a tool.
They're using 1x4s to create a frame around the existing lattice. This will hide the raw edges of the lattice and cover up those spots where the pieces don't quite line up. When you're adding bold horizontal and vertical lines like this, it's important that they be level and plumb even when the ground isn't. Ideally, the trim would have been attached to the lattice panels before they were mounted on the deck, but since they weren't, Tim's crawling under the deck so he can attach the lattice to the trim boards from the backside with short screws. This is necessary because there isn't always framing behind the lattice where the trim boards need to be attached. It's a 2-man job though. While Tim's drilling pilot holes and driving screws underneath, Alan's holding the trim in place, keeping it aligned and providing a little comic relief.
Once we get to that other side, we'll get it all blocked in, close you in under it, and then you'd be like the little garden gnome, or, you know, the Billy Goat Gruff.
Yeah. Basically, the process continues that way around the deck, creating a large, slightly complex picture frame for the lattice. This can get tedious, so I'm doing my part to keep it interesting.
In there. That would work. And get that off your shoulder, will you?
Around on the south side of the deck, Matt still needs access, and this is where Alan's plan comes in.
All right, so what we decided to do on this, because what the homeowner had up here was a little hard to access, and that he had to break out his electric tools to take out these very long screws. We're going to put this in place. We'll drill, you got those? Here they are, Tim. We've got these galvanized bolts that we're going to run through the joists from the back all the way out, so that these actually have holes where the access panel will hang on these, and you only have to take the wing nuts on or off to gain access. So it'll be a little bit easier on him, quicker to access. Of course, up here in New Hampshire, they need plenty of that rock salt.